Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can improve your video quality on CapCut only by using the effect feature. So here, what you need to do is just add the clips that you want to edit and then just go straight to video effect. Click on the lens category and then add this smart sharpen effect, this one, and adjust the settings like this. So for the range, lower it to 0, filter 50, and the blur 100. Okay, after that, click on a check icon and apply the effect to all of the clips. Add the blur effect still on the blur category. Blur, click on a check icon and export this video. After the exporting project finish, go back and then delete all of the effects. Then add the video that you just saved as overlay. Okay, click on add. Now fit the size like this and then go to blend and choose overlay and lower the opacity to your liking. So adjust it to your liking and you are done. Now your video will become, or the video quality will improve like this. So I'm going to show you the before and after. So this one is before and here is the after. So the color is more sharp now. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on a thanks. Bye.